Meet Alice. She runs a company. She uses Microsoft Excel every day to run her business. Meet Bob. He is one of Alice's collaborator, and of course he uses Microsoft Excel too. Now let's say Alice wants to send a table to Bob. She has to open her workbook. She has to select and copy the table she wants to send to Bob. And because she don't want Bob to receive her formulas, she has to create an empty workbook and paste the selected table. Of course, the simple paste not always works. She has to use the paste special command. The right, paste special command. And then save the new workbook to a temporary file. A new, temporary file. After all that, Alice has to write an email to Bob to send him the new XLS file. Oops! Of course she has to remember to attach the XLS file to the email. If not, another email has to be sent. When Bob receives the email, and when Bob receives all the emails, he has to retrieve the right XLS file, and open it in Excel. And if nothing went wrong, he finally gets the table he was waiting for. Or maybe not. With SpreadSheetSpace, all this belonged to history. When Alice wants to send a table to Bob, she has to open her workbook. She has to select the desired table, and then in the SpreadSheetSpace panel, she has to click on the Send button, and fill out the desired informations. The recipient email address, and a short description. And that's it. SpreadSheetSpace will take care of the rest. Bob will instantly receive a notification that someone has sent him a new snapshot. He doesn't need to leave Excel, he only needs to click on the Receive button in the SpreadSheetSpace panel, and select the desired snapshot. SpreadSheetSpace. As easy as that.